Hello and welcome to the SQL course for beginners. Learn SQL using MySQL database. So the first question which would arise in your mind is that why to choose this course? So let me tell you a few things about me and this course. The first thing is that the value of your time. Now I highly value your time as I know you will be investing 5+ hours in this course, and I feel that your time is more valuable as compared to a few dollars you would spend to buy this course. Hence, keeping this thing in mind, I have tried to give maximum value in an optimal time in this course. Hands-on experience. So the second best thing about this course is that you will get a hands-on experience of writing SQL commands in this course. So this course is designed in such a way that I have eliminated the use of slides, so I will not be showing you slides. Instead, this course is going to be complete hands-on, wherein I will explain you each and every line of code without skipping anything. The next thing is, this course has a lot of coding challenge and practice examples. The best way to learn any programming language or any new technology is by applying the things which we have learned. This course consists of a lot of coding challenges and practice examples which will not only help you to understand SQL better, but it will also give you a chance to practice code on your own. And what that is going to do is that it is going to make the concepts much more clear, and it is basically going to help you learn faster as compared to the traditional techniques. Course is comprehensive yet simple. So while designing this course, what I have taken care is that the course must be comprehensive enough so that it would cover all the topics related to SQL. Yet I have designed this course in such a way that I have kept things simple, so as a beginner you won't be having any issues while going through the course. Another important thing which I would like to mention about this course is that this course has the optimum learning structure. So let me just explain you the structure of this course. So in the first part of the course we will have explanations and hands-on training. So let's say you want to learn a certain concept in SQL. So initially we will go through the explanation and we will have hands-on training wherein I will write the code by myself, explaining you each and every line. Once that is done, we move on to the next thing, which is the quiz. In each section, once the concept is explained and once we have done the hands-on examples, we are going to have a quiz wherein you will be tested on your knowledge you have gained in the current lectures. After the quiz, we will have a coding challenge in which you will be given a practice example to solve. This coding challenges will help you to retain the concepts learned in a much more better way. Then after the coding challenge, I have put up a solution lecture which consists of a solution to the coding challenge. So once you are done with the coding challenge, what you could do is that you could go ahead and check the solution wherein I explain each and everything that why this particular solution is correct. And finally, at the end of each section, we have summary and notes. So once you are done with the entire course, what you could do is that you could just print out the summaries and notes which I have provided at the end of each section, so that once you are done completing the course, you could just revise them daily to strengthen your SQL concepts. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course and I'll see you in this course. Thank you.